Hello guys, welcome in. So this is the Toolbot Circuit. We do have two front-wheel drive motors, and we do have two servos, one for the arm and one for the gripper. There's the Arduino, the breadboard, and the controller. So first things first, we're gonna define the library. We're gonna let it include the servo library, and then we're gonna go through the pins. So 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 are for these four motors and servos. And then we're gonna tell it to start the servo. And then we're going with the waiting for confirmation currently being false, because we need in the future to have a true or false, yes or no, when scanning the toolbox. So the toolbox number equal -1, because right now there is no toolbox selected in the very beginning. So void setup, serial begin, and then we go with the pin mode. All of these are outputs for all of these fours, and then we do have the servos. So we're gonna say that we're gonna start the arm by being all the way up as it is right now, 90, and then with the gripper it's gonna be 0. And then welcome to Toolbot. Which toolbox do you want? Type in number only. And then we're gonna void loop. So we're gonna start the loop over here. So we need to enter the number. So depending on that number, as just said, from 1 to 1000 is gonna say toolbox number, whatever you entered has been selected, locating. Then it's gonna simulate as if it's scanning a barcode. Is the correct toolbox? Is this the correct toolbox? Yes or no? So this is just a simulation of the barcode, as I said. So if it's a yes, then it's gonna be over here. If it's a no, then it's gonna continue with the no. So let's say if it's a no, then it's gonna relocate, do a bunch of locate toolbox again, and then do the function of locate toolbox again, and then scan it again. Is it the correct one? Yes or no? If it's a yes this time, then it's gonna say confirm. It will load it, load toolbox, and then deliver toolbox. And then after that, it's gonna say deliver. Now we have four main functions over here: load toolbox, unload toolbox, locate, and deliver. So here you go. Load is just gonna be the servo, gripper, and arm servos moving up and down. Unload, same thing. Locate and deliver, just a bunch of reverse, right, forward, left. These are small mini functions I'm gonna define down. And the same thing over here: forward, right, left, and then unload. So forward, we have these both forward high, reverse both forward being high, and then we have the right. We're gonna use analog right to have it half speed so that we simulate it turning. Same thing with the left. And stop, everything is stopped. Let's start the simulation. So it's gonna say welcome to Toolbot. Which toolbox do you want? Type in the number. Let's say we want 385. It's gonna locate, reverse, stop, turn right, stop, drive forward. Okay, now it's scanned it. Is it the correct one? Let's say no. Okay, it located, looks like the other one. Is it the correct one? Let's say yes, it is. So now please pay attention to these. So the arm is all the way up and this one is open, closed, and then the gripper is handing the toolbox, and then it's going all the way back up. Now it's going to the delivering toolbox. Now it's unloading it, as you can see. Delivered. So after delivery, it goes back to 0. Which toolbox do you want? Type in the number.